Oh, dear. Now, listen, the premise of the film is that idea that, you know, you have a big night, you can't remember what happened. Extreme in your movies, but it does happen to all of us that can happen. And there's a website called Texts from Last Night, right? Yeah, have you seen this? It's when people submit texts that either they sent during the night or sent the next day. It's pretty self-explanatory. For instance, a classic would be, did you really just text me at 6:55 in the morning asking where the condoms were? I moved out a year ago. What else have we got? Guess who won Binger at the senior centre and is going to jail all in the same night? This is a little dialogue one. I told you I was good to drive, dumbass. I drove. You sat in the passenger seat and steered with a paper plate. She wrote sorry in her vomit and left.
Classy.
Is this next one is, oh my God, the night he had. Don't really want to talk about it. You were right. She had a whole jar of toenail clippings on her nightstand that she chews on when her fingernails are too short. Direct quote.
Direct quote.
And finally, I like this. A lesson I learned in the hospital: when you masturbate while attached to a heart monitor, it scares the nurses a lot. Oh, well done.